Now we will know what is social media. It is the fundamental technology of the 21st century. To reject social media would be an act of extreme bloodism. But it's not a fundamental technology, only a source of entertainment. Our contribution, large portion of the day in a state of fragmented attention, will reduce capacity of concentration. The more we use social media, the more likely we are to feel lonely or isolated. Things can be quite peaceful outside this trap sometimes. Some key points are: personally, professionally, and academically, our life is a social media. We will easily fall into anxiety, depression, and stress. We face difficulty in revealing the truth, but always try to highlight the reality of others. Everything is competing for our attention. If not properly connected, we may experience fear of missing out. Is social media hurting our mental health? Social media is neither good or bad, and it doesn't have to be. Just to reflect a perfection in everything, it is hurting our mental health. Everyone has demon, irrespective of fame. Social media causing us to exist in virtual world. How badly social media affecting us? The number of notifications decides how our day going to be. Just to fit in, we are killing ourselves. It does not add constant values directly. Internet is defeating us, and we need to know whether we are using it or internet is using us. Now, steps to make some progress. To connect with human beings rather than to connect online. Social media is making us unsocial, so be with people in real life. Don't replace the experience but perform real life event. Technology is not the problem, we are rather, so step in wisely. Let's disconnect to connect again. Now let's see how it helps in a positive growth. Talent is everywhere, so there is an equal opportunity to compete with each other. Knowledge is power, so there must be exchange of information for a powerful circle. It doesn't need fame. We can influence people anytime and the satisfaction is awesome. To be aware is brave enough because it will only lead to glory, that is power of individual.